In this video, I will show you how you can convert your steps on Sweatcoin. To get started, go ahead and open Sweatcoin on your device. Now, if you have installed Sweatcoin on your device, you just need to turn on the necessary settings to be able to allow Sweatcoin to detect your steps, and automatically Sweatcoin will convert your steps into Sweatcoin. So let's head over into the transaction history to be able to show you how they convert this step. So as you can see on my transaction history for December 20, I have reached a certain amount of steps and earned 8.21 Sweatcoins from that steps. Now take note that you don't need to manually convert your steps, as Sweatcoin converts your steps into Sweatcoin at the end of each day. You'll be able to find that on your transaction history once you click on your Sweatcoin balance at the top right of your screen. And that is how you can simply convert your steps into Sweatcoin. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.